What's up, guys? It's your friend Carl here. So a lot of people have been writing to me on the internet about what's the proper and the best way to store food, how to put leftovers away. So I got my answers for you. Okay? I got my spaghetti right here, and I'm going to show you 4 basic ways how to put it away properly, and you can pick in the kitchen what you want to do. So bear with me. First is a plastic bag. Big old plastic bag. Just throw it in there, Yeah, you zip it up. Then you got your plastic bag. But some people don't like plastic bags because they don't know if they're fully BPA free and all that. So, your second option is a plastic Tupperware. And then you can take your noodles, pour it in here. That's it, yeah? Yeah. But some people don't like this one either because they don't fully know if it's BPA free and all that stuff. So my third option is it's metal. See? Cool reflection, huh? So yeah, you can then put the spaghetti in the metal, and it comes with a nice little lid. And it's all nice. But some people don't fully trust the metal linings either. It could taste metally or something in the future. For my grand finale, number 4, get ready. My personal favorite. The thing you can always trust in life. Say it with me, people. Glass. That's right, you heard it, baby. Glass. It comes with a lid, and the lid even says BPA free. That's gonna be my option. I'm gonna just see. I'm just gonna do that. It's my favorite. But maybe beware when you put it in the freezer for a long period of time and then you take it out, it could possibly crack. But I love glass. Glass is fun. Some families worry about glass cracking and breaking, but you have all these options for how to store your leftovers instead of throwing them away and saving them forever. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want, you can subscribe. You can like. And you can share.